Supreme Court rejects appeal to dismiss charges in Idaho student murders. In an unfolding case that has captured the nation's attention, the Idaho Supreme Court has made a pivotal ruling against Bryan Kohberger, the individual accused of the harrowing murder of 4 University of Idaho students in 2022. This decision marks a significant moment in the legal proceedings, affirming the course towards a trial that has been closely watched by the public and media alike. Bryan Kohberger, a PhD student with ties to Washington State University, stands accused of a crime that shook the communities surrounding the University of Idaho. The victims, Madison Mogen, Xana Kernodle, Kaylee Goncalves, and Ethan Chapin, were found deceased in a rental property close to campus, a tragedy that has left enduring scars on the university and the larger Moscow, Idaho area. Kohberger's legal team mounted a challenge to the grand jury indictment, asserting a discrepancy in the legal standards presented to the jurors. They contended that the grand jurors were misinformed, being told the criterion for indictment was probable cause rather than the more stringent, beyond a reasonable doubt. This argument aimed to invalidate the indictment, a motion that, if successful, could have significantly altered the trajectory of the case. However, the Idaho Supreme Court's refusal to grant this request solidifies the path forward to trial. The court's decision was succinct, offering no detailed explanation for the denial but effectively setting the stage for the next phases of the legal process. The indictment of Kohberger in May on charges of first-degree murder and felony burglary came as a result of an intensive investigation. Surveillance footage placing Kohberger's vehicle at the crime scene was a key piece of evidence that led to his arrest following weeks of inquiries. His plea of not guilty to all charges adds a layer of complexity to a case that has already seen widespread speculation and analysis. As preparations for the trial proceed, Kohberger's defense has proposed a change of venue, suggesting that a fair and impartial jury might be more readily assembled in a different county. This move reflects the defense's strategy to navigate the intense publicity and strong emotions surrounding the case. With a trial date yet to be announced, the legal battles in this case are far from over. The community, along with the families of Madison Mogen, Xana Kernodle, Kaylee Goncalves, and Ethan Chapin, watches closely as the proceedings unfold, seeking justice for the loss of these young lives. The Idaho Supreme Court's recent decision is a crucial step in the long journey through the legal system, underscoring the rigorous scrutiny and legal debates that lie ahead.